how are you? I'm very good because today I'm gonna do a craft that is super cool and it's about photos and LED lights. That is like a LED light string with the photos you choose. I'm gonna do it because I have the birthday of one of my best friends and I'm going to do it for her, like a gift, a personal gift. But you can do it for anything, like for room decor or whatever that you like, because there can be any type of photos. These ones are the ones I printed and they are like phrases and quotes and then photos of me and my friend. So first of all we have to cut them, because once we have printed them we cut. Okay, well, as you see, I've already cut all the pictures and all the phrases, and once they are like this, what I'm going to do is like to make as if it was a Polaroid picture. To copy the Polaroid frame, what I'm going to do is in a card that is stronger for it so it doesn't break. I'm going to stick the photo, and then I'm going to cut the frame and leave a little space at the bottom, so it's like the Polaroid one. And for that I'm going to stick it first and then cut, because it's easier and more quick.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. Let's talk, got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we made.
Okay, so I've already cut the card, so it is the Polaroid, so it has the Polaroid frame, and to do it I've left a little bit more of space here, like a thicker space, and then in the sides and in the top a thin little frame, so it looks like it is Polaroid. So now once I have the photos, I'm going to put it in this like plastic that is used to laminate the photos in plastic, so they are stronger and like more resistant to everything. And two ways, because I'm going to do it with a machine that I have here, but two other ways to do it if you don't have this machine is using normal paper to plastificate some things you have at home, like for example the school books, and you stick it and that's it. And the other option is to use like adhesive tape, like sellotape, because it's going to also laminate your photo and do it more resistant, and it is also an easy way if you don't have the machine. But as I have it, I'm going to use it. So let's go.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. Let's talk, got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night.
Well, and this is how it ends once it is like laminated in plastic, and now it's much more resistant and stronger, and less likely to break, and it is also looking like more professional, and I really like it. And now we have to finally cut it, and then it will be the end. Okay, so we've already finished, and these are the images ones that they are have been cut and laminated and everything in the plastic, and they are so cool. And also I've done the phrases that I haven't tell you before, but they are like friendship quotes, like well, for example this one, but I'm going to leave you all the quotes in my Instagram accounts, like in a picture of different slides. That is this one, and you can see them there, and you can follow me if you didn't, and I'm going to leave them there so you can read them and get them if you want. Once that everything of the photos is finished, we need the string lights, and in my string light they are also, the pegs are included, so you put here the photos. But if you don't find these ones, you can buy a normal fairy light string and then put the pegs, and that's it. And you can buy transparent like these ones, or you can buy normal ones and decorate them, or normal ones, and that's it. But I think it's more cool like decorated, or whatever. And mine are very big, so well, big with a lot of space between them. So I can put like longer photos, because that's something you have to take in account or have in account, because if you have these enormous photos and you have these mini pecs and this mini string, something doesn't work. If that happened to you, you can print them smaller, or you can use 3 pecs for one photo, for example. And this one that I have is from Amazon, and I'm going to leave you the link below in the information box. And these ones are from Primark. They are $3.50, the other ones I'm not sure. As I've told you, this is for a gift, so in the original gift I'm not going to put them in the shrink, and I'm going to put them like in a little box, so that she sees then the photos and it's like, oh my god, how cool! Yeah. But now I'm going to put them so you see how they look like. Wow, look how nice it looks. I love it. It's super cool, and it looks super nice, because it is a very original gift, and not a gift, like it can be for yourself to decorate your room, whatever, but I think it looks very nice. And if you do this, you're going to do a very good thing for anything. You can use it for what you want, but I think it's always going to be a good idea. And well, I want you to leave one thing in the comments, and it's what else DIY projects do you want me to do of room decor, because I really want to change some things of my room. And yes, that's all. I hope you've loved this video, and yes, if you like it, and follow me if you didn't. Bye!